guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been waiting for this box. That's why I'm not wearing makeup and I was like busy today. So anyway, let's get into my Ipsy bags. Now this is sent to me for free. So I just want to let you guys know this, but I act like if I had purchased this, would I be happy? So let's get into the regular Glam bag. It's really pretty, like wipeable, you know, obviously it's not real fur. This is not real leather, but it's like a, I don't know, it feels really nice. And then, so let's get into the products. All right, so we have the Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Collection, Clean Luxury Perfume Oil. It's paraben-free, phthalate-free, and vegan. I believe we did know about this spoiler. It says it's alcohol-free too, which is really cool because I know a lot of perfumes have like alcohol. Housed in Italian glass vessels. It's very fancy. And then, oh, it's a roll-on, cool. Ooh, okay. Warm it up a little bit. It's like an oil, basically. It's very like fresh. I don't know, I'm not very good at like describing perfumes and stuff since. I guess you could really put it on. It's very like fresh. I like that this is like a little travel, like I like the size of this, like you can throw it in your purse, but it's not a like regular perfume, like it's like a roller, so I like that. And the packaging is very like minimal and pretty. And then we got a mini of the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. I get so many eye creams, I don't even have to buy any because they always come in boxes, but like look at this little baby size, so cute. And I love their packaging, it's just really simple and clean. This is not cruelty free. I will be giving this to someone else to love. It is from Benefit. It's their real mascara, the magnet one, so not gonna be using that. It's not a full size anyway, but I don't use full size mascaras anyway for the most part, you guys know that. And I got a little Kisiate London little eyeshadow. It says metallic eyeshadow on the packaging. Ooh, it feels very nice. Ooh, I like that. It's like a, I don't have a color kind of, it's very pretty. Like for like a one eyeshadow, like it's very pretty. It's like a, like mauve, but kind of like a, I don't know, it got some pigment to it. Very nice. I like that a lot. And then lastly, we have this Look lipstick from, and this is cruelty-free and vegan on the packaging, from M, the number 2, U with 2 dots above it, NYC Matte Liquid Lip, which looks really nice, especially like for fall. Like it looks like basically like, kind of like my shirt, but a little bit more red. So yeah, I like all of that. That looks really nice. I'm gonna try to find prices and stuff for you guys, but I would be really happy if I bought that. And then we have the Ipsy Glam bag. By the way, everything comes in this box. Basically a matching bag, but a drawstring. And then we have, I already opened everything so that we wouldn't have to go through all this, but it's from Pure XO Nabella. This is from Pure. And this is a collaboration with XO Nabella. I don't know who that is. It's the Embrace Your Face, Eye, and Cheek palette. So this will be in my Shop My Stash. This looks perfect for like everyday looks and stuff. So let me do some swatchies. Let's do some swatches to see how this looks, all right? We got a blush. That looks pretty. I got a bangle. So the blush is called Mishti Rose. Bangle is the eyeshadow, and Masala Sunset. Ooh. Blushes look really pretty. The first one's like almost like a NARS Orgasm, aka I have never used it, but that's what I have swatched it before. Shanti. Ooh, that's like a foiled goldy color. Chai looks really beautiful. And then Shauna, this is probably supposed to be like a bronzer, but on me it can be, or like a highlighter. On me it's just gonna be an eyeshadow. Asha, that looks really pretty. Like a pinky kind of rose gold. And then Noor will be like more like a highlighter on me. Okay. So I can show you guys more. So basically a neutral palette, but still really pretty. Yeah, like a neutral palette. So again, very pretty. I like that. We have a 4-piece brush set from Iconic London. So we have like a inner corner brush, or this would be really nice for like, I probably will use this for my lower lash line. I don't know why I said inner corner, but like these feel very soft. And then we have like a blendy brush, like almost like a Sigma E40, which I never owned, but you know, I've seen it 1,000 times. And then this is almost like, probably like a, I don't know, some type of other Sigma brush. It's also very good for like the crease, like getting in there. And they feel really, very soft. And then this is like a good packer brush for like, I'll probably use it for the outer corner and to blend. Yeah, like that little, they're all full size, by the way, and like rose gold, or they're like a gold and white. And then we have this, we have a setting spray from Shades by Sean or Shan, San Francisco, California. The setting spray. It says it has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ginseng. Your skin will feel plump, hydrated, and refreshed. Help us raise the next generation. Part of the proceeds from this purchase will be going to Mama Berry's nonprofit foundation, 501c3, to help single parents in need. That's awesome. My mother was a single parent. So let's see what the mist looks like. Very nice. Good mist. No scent, which is nice. I don't like stuff that has scent, especially on your face. And then we have this really cute little candle. I don't know if they're cruelty-free or not. This is from Juicy Couture. It's a Choose Juicy little baby candle, and literally like a tin, almost like a little like lip, you know, product. Red Roses, Juicy Peach, Magnolia, Fine Fragrance Soy Candle. Yeah, I don't know anything about, it's very sweet. Not super, this is sweet. It has like a fresh, like, I mean, it has peach, but it's not like overly sweet. So I don't know if they're cruelty free or not. I will look it up. And then lastly, we have from First Aid Beauty, Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. I have bought this before. This used to be my go-to moisturizer. I actually like the tub more. I don't know what it is, but like it was thicker. But I will definitely be using this, and I like it because it's really good for like sensitive skin, like eczema, dry skin, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm very happy with the products I got. Only one that's not cruelty-free, except for I don't know about this. But yeah, let me know what you guys got in your box. And I'm excited for December. I'm also excited for my BoxyCharm Premium and also the December box I'm really excited about. So yeah, let me know what you guys received. Let me know that you like this video by giving it a thumbs up, commenting down below. And everybody have a great day, morning, night, whatever. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.